guys, so to make your own pomade, what you'll need is your own eyebrow pencil, chapstick, a lighter, spoon, and some scissors. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take the chapstick of your choice. It could be any chapstick you want. I chose this kind because it simply smells good and it's about over with, so I can go ahead and use this old one. We're going to take the chapstick and put it onto the spoon. Okay, next we're going to take the eyeliner and put it onto the spoon as well. What you want to do is you want to make sure that it's broken in half. That way you can get the contents out of the pencil, and it can be any color you want. I chose black. Okay, now that we have that taken care of, we're going to take our lighter and start melting it all down in the spoon. Look how pretty that looks, you guys. Now we're going to take it and pour it into our container. And now that we have that poured, we're going to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to let it cool off. And here it is once it has cooled down. And just to show y'all that it really works, I'm going to show y'all an example of me doing it on my own eyebrow. As I put on my pomade, you guys, I can go ahead and tell y'all that it goes on very smoothly. It smells very good and it is very moisturizing. Thank y'all again for watching. This is my DIY eyebrow pomade, and I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think. See you in the next one.